What's up, guys? I got another unboxing video coming from Detail Division yet again. They always have the best stuff. Let's see what's in this one. To be honest with you, I had no idea I ordered so much from them. So this one's a surprise to me. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. All right. So we're gonna be trying out the Clean Drying Duo towels. These are straight imported from Korea. They're supposed to be the best of the best. We got two of those bad boys, so why not? Always have a good supply of detailing towels. We got our Koch Chemie spray bottle. Trying out some different spray bottles. This is our IK sprayers. We have been having leaking issues out of them, so. Also, we have the new Vikan interior brush. These are going to help us with tough stains, but more or less for putting nice little patterns and lines in carpets. So, additional service that we can add for our clients. So, this is going to be the first of some Koch Chemie products that we're trying out. I keep hearing all the rave about them. So we're going to be starting out some Polestar interior cleaner. So we got the 1 liter ounce, or the 1 liter bottle, and we're going to give this a shot and see what all the hype's about. So stay tuned. We'll be reporting back on these products and seeing how we're liking them.